We are Julia, Sven and Felix from northern Germany. Last summer we finally found the van of our dreams to travel the world in. After lots of preparations and planning, the day of leaving our safe home has finally come. It's time to hit the road. Today is the big day!
We are leaving for our 2-year trip.
Ready to go! So all of our things are over here, not that much actually. Hello?
We will see.
And somehow we have to fit it all into this tiny space. Let's see if it fits. We actually wanted to start packing, but there's a problem with the van. Water is leaking outside the water tank, so we have to fix it now. We quickly found the problem and fixed it. These are all of our clothes. Then it was time to say goodbye to our home and family. Goodbye, beautiful apartment.
I will miss this.
And this.
And this.
And this. Bye bye. Nein, wisst ihr nicht.
Schau echt wieder
From afar.
First stop on the trip, we are going for a sunset walkie on the river. I can hardly believe that the trip we've been dreaming of for the past 2 years has now finally started.
I can't realize. It's crazy. It's like a dream coming true, yeah.
And the sun is over here setting. So beautiful. Now we just have to find a spot to sleep. Cheers!
Cheers. Don't drink and drive, except for if your laws allow you to.
We arrived just in time before it got dark, and yeah, we are near a forest. Looks very cozy. And now we will cook, make some dinner, have more wine and beer. Sven is already preparing our window covers.
Yeah.
Felix is fixed to a tree.
He doesn't understand what's going on.
So exciting! This is our current situation. I'm preparing dinner and there's so much space over here, surprisingly. Sven is
editing a video.
Yeah, and Felix is under the table. Ta-da! This is our dinner.
This is what our sleeping arrangement for our first night looks like. Felix is cozy underneath the bed. And we are ready for
Almost like a queen size bed.
Looks kind of big. Let's see. Good morning. We just woke up from our first night in Daisy.
Good morning.
And I would say it was better than expected.
I think I couldn't fall asleep for maybe 4 hours.
Yeah, it felt kind of like that for me as well, but then I slept really good actually, and I could sleep like 3 more hours.
By the way, this is how it looks in here right now. Chaos. First things first. Ta-da! Here's our coffee machine. Oh, this is luxury. Short digging break at the lake. Back to our run.
I've been walking around, waiting for you to shine. People passing
That was a nice 5-kilometer run, but now it's time to take a shower outdoors and the water is cold. I'm not ready for that. The water is cold. Did I said that before? Filling up the water on the second day of van life.
Second day, yeah, but we already took a shower and we made the dishes and so.
Yeah.
That's okay, I guess.
And our water tank only has, I think, 35 liters
or so, yeah.
This place where we filled up our water is a normal camping ground, and they also have toilets. Yay!
We're on our way to the Netherlands and the plan is to visit the flower fields because it's springtime. It's the most beautiful season to see all those tulip fields in the Netherlands.
It's so beautiful. We are very slow, taking the slow road. The sun is shining and
yeah, we can see all those beautiful little villages we wouldn't see if we would take the highway, so that's a point. That's a good point.
We really enjoy the day.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice. Just said how happy we are and now the car won't start anymore. What the f***? There we go again!
So random.
The day is too nice to break down. Germany, Germany,
Netherlands!
Netherlands!
No, we're in the Netherlands.
Turns out the slow road is also the scenic route. All the houses here are so cute. We are currently trying to find a spot to park our car for the night and to sleep in here. It's not so easy, so we tried a few spots. We also have this app called Camp for Night, but all of them were bad. Now we are here, not sure if we can actually stay here. We just had an argument. This is also new to us and we're a bit nervous, but Sven went into that place where we are staying right now and we'll ask them if it's possible to stay here. Let's hope so. Otherwise we have to find another spot. But the sun is already gone, so it will be dark in 10-15 minutes. What did they say?
Yeah, they said like, yeah, okay, sure, no problem. If you don't block the space and everyone can go through, you sure?
Looks quite nice, but this is actually a parking for a hotel, I think. Current situation, Sven is making dinner. We are having curry and rice. Hi! I just wanted to say that you're sleeping, but now you're awake. It's okay. It's okay. Good night. We don't have a heater, so you have
Vanlife life hack.
You have to get creative. Dinner is served. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, let's eat it, I'm hungry.
Really good.
It was a good night, but it was a cold night. The roof froze a bit.
Wow.
Shit.
Hello. Good morning.
Looks like that he loves it when it's cold.
Well, looks like I can't use my door anymore. Heck. We made it to a very beautiful lake, but they don't allow doggos. So we are flying the drone and you will see what the drone sees now. Looks like a pyramid in Mexico, but we are actually in the Netherlands.
It's crazy.
breakfast we are having some overnight oats. Super easy to prepare and saves a lot of time in the morning. First time driving on the highway with Daisy. We are preparing Daisy to leave her behind.
So sad.
She's all ready, so no one can look what's inside. The reason why we left Daisy behind is this super cute Basecamp very close to Amsterdam. This will be our home for the next 3 days.
Look at this crazy guy. He found his place.
Felix already made himself comfortable. Wollen wir vielleicht noch mal eine Runde Gassi gehen? Let's go to the beach.
Go to the beach.
The beach is right there. Let's go.
Amazing.
So our plan is basically not to stay in the van every night, because we also have many collaborations with hotels on Instagram. From time to time we will go to beautiful hotels like this one and enjoy the things we can't have in the van, like hot water and a big bed. We got some blueberries, nuts, oranges, salad, cucumber and cheese. So let's make a salad. Ta-da! There we go! We were also able to get some work done and exercised.
Excuse me, sir. This guy is following me around the whole morning, so I think it's time for... Gassi? Wollen wir eine Runde Gassi gehen? Yeah? I think we should go to the supermarket to provide for the family, get some breakfast, huh? Shall we? Okay, let's go. Kleiner Bär. Before heading to the store, let's just check up on Daisy. Not because we have to, but I just feel like it. It was her first night alone as well. So let's check if everything is okay. But I guess. Like I guess she's all fine. Alright, so I guess we have to improvise regarding breakfast, because apparently this is the only store here nearby at the harbor, and I checked online, it should be open but it's closed. I guess it's because it's still the winter season. As you can see, everything is locked up over here. Let's just make the best out of it, huh? Shall we go to the beach again? Just a short walkie, huh? Okay, let's go! Yes, peeing with the view in the morning. So beautiful. Breakfast situation is solved.
How many chocolate chips?
A
Say
lot.
stop.
Okay.
Babe!
Stop, okay. Just
That
come
was
on,
half
come
the
on.
package! I am super excited for today because it's content day and we will take some videos, photos, etc. And Felix also can't wait. Doggo is ready. Car is ready. Coffee is here. Let's go! Driving in the Netherlands is pretty relaxed, but those road bumps are so annoying and they are everywhere.
So happy that we don't have them in Germany, or not as many as they have them here.
Yeah. By the way, this is my outfit. My shooting outfit. A jacket, scarf, cardigan, pants, big shoes, and then ta-da! I have my long, beautiful dress underneath. This is literally a snowstorm right now.
Oh, it's so freezing cold.
Oh! No problem that we don't got a heater, because we got Felix, who is like a heating machine. Whoa, so warm and cozy.
Living blanket.
It's raining or maybe even snowing outside. So we are very happy to be inside. Get lots of work done and have some slumbers. Yeah. It snowed last night.
Look at it!
This is definitely not what we signed up for.
No, we signed up for sun and beach and warm weather.
Heck.
Now we're here at the beach and it looks like, I don't know,
Winter Wonderland.
Wonderland, yeah. It's like 3 degrees today. Julia decides to take a swim in the ocean. As you can see, it's a great idea.
No, I will not swim.
I am the wardrobe.
Woo! Let's just pretend it's warm in summer. All of our things are packed up. Oh, Entschuldigung. Let's head to the next destination. This van is too tiny.
We are stuck.
For all of us.
Oh man, which brings us to our next topic we want to address, which is van life itself. So our first week is over now.
And it was definitely not what we expected. On social media, van life often gets romanticized, and I hope we showed you the reality.
The reality of van life beginners, especially, because we didn't have a clue what will happen to us. We just saw what's happening on social media. Everyone is going around Europe with their vans and everything is beautiful. But as you can see, we're on the beach. Everywhere is snow. It's cold, it's freezing. The van is freezing over from inside. That's how it is. That's how it really is. It's a little tiny.
But still, we really enjoyed our first week.
Yeah,
right? We always have our home with us. We can change, we can sleep wherever we like, we can cook, we have our coffee machine. It's just perfect. And the best part, there's always enough space for Felix, who can join us.
And he loves sleeping inside the van, which is so cool. He really enjoys it.
It's like camping. Hi. That's it from this week's adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Now we are ready to go to our next destination.
Yeah, and this is Amsterdam. So if you want to see it, check out our next video, which will be online next Saturday.
We have something very special planned for there.
Oh yes.
So if you like, you can also subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you
next week.
Bye. We are staying on a
Osbourne.
Not ready.
No, not ready.
I don't want to.
You can do it. Come on. We drove into something
And it fell down.
It fell down on the floor.